Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson. So today I will be reviewing this product, Virafic. Virafic is a new software that actually just launched, and seriously, it's a revolutionary software because it has come to change the game. Now with Virafic, you can easily generate traffic to your affiliate link or to whatever you are promoting online. Okay, let me just show you something quickly. You can see this is a Facebook, this is a YouTube video, okay, and this is an ad on this YouTube video. Okay, you can see this icon here where my mouse is an ad. Let me just click it so that you see.
Subscribers,
You can
more
see
watch
this is an
and
ad.
of course,
This is an ad.
make
It
more
says
money.
give people ad.
Well,
Now with Virafic, you can actually create something that looks similar like that. Okay, so that when people come to your the video that you're going to create through Virafic, they're going to see that kind of icon, this kind of icon, which is an ad icon. Now, when they click on this icon, automatically it will take them to be it your affiliate link or whatever you are promoting online. Okay, so that is the beauty of Virafic. It's a software that actually helps you to drive a whole lot of traffic, even without you spending money to drive traffic, right? Is a software that works basically with YouTube. Okay, and you and I know that YouTube is one of the biggest markets in terms of driving traffic, in terms of making sales, in terms of generating leads. You and I know that YouTube is very huge on that. Now with Virafic, you will be able to do all that, right? Okay, like rightly says, a cloud-based push button software gets you free traffic plus get you paid every time someone clicks a link. In this particular area where they say you get paid each time someone clicks a link, the idea behind that statement is this: if you have an affiliate link, okay, embedded to something that appears actually on the video, okay, that your prospect will be watching, then definitely when your prospect actually click on it, you know definitely it will take them to a website or to your affiliate link, and by the time they click and buy, then you get paid. I think that's the reason why they say there you get paid each time somebody clicks on your link. Okay, now you don't need any special skill to use this software. You don't need an email list. You don't need it's a free traffic to the app. Works anywhere across the world. You do not need ask for follows. Okay, you don't need to sell anything. Okay, you don't need to sell anything. I disagree with that. You actually need to sell something, because when you paste your affiliate link to that ads that appear on that video, it's actually a process of you selling something. What I'll do is this: let me just quickly, before we go to the app and show you how it actually works practically, I want to show you the bonuses I actually have for you. Now I know there are a whole lot of people that will actually be promoting this particular software to you with their bonuses, but believe you me, the bonus I'm going to be giving you, they are exclusive bonuses that nobody is giving you. These bonuses, they are not general bonuses that you see everybody using. These are exclusive bonuses to me. Now the bonus number I'll be giving you is called 10K case study. Okay, in this bonus package you discover how Brenda Mays makes 10K consistently, and how you too can start making a fraction of that every month, right? This like Brenda Mays I made mention, is an established affiliate marketer, right? Is somebody that teaches you how to make money online, right? So for that reason, I'm giving you this particular, this is a paid course actually, but I'm giving it to you for free if you get Virafic from my link below this video. Now the bonus number 2 I'll be giving you is called Bing Ads Mastery Training. Okay, in this Bing Ads Mastery Training, you'll be getting a series of training videos. It's actually a training video stayed by Brenda Mills that teaches you how you can run profitable ads on Bing. Okay, now when you get to somewhere like YouTube, you get to see a whole lot of videos that teaches you or that tells you how to run ads on Bing, but some of them don't really go into details showing you step by step, okay, that hidden secret of how they actually make their money on Bing. They don't, some of them don't, most of them don't tell you on YouTube. These are their personal secret that they keep to themselves. But if you're getting this Virafic through my link below this video, I'll be giving you this bonus, and in this bonus you get to learn every secret on how to make a killing on Bing. Okay, now remember, Virafic is all about you driving traffic to your offer, right? Now, for Virafic to be very effective, actually, you need an external traffic to that video, so that when your prospect now watch that video, they'll be able to purchase whatever you are selling, okay, or purchase whatever you are promoting. Now that is where this particular bonus comes in. Online viral marketing, right? This particular bonus will show you how you can make your offer or your video go viral, because there's no reason for you dropping that video if people are not really seeing it. Then it means automatically you are not going to make sale, okay? Now this particular bonus will show you step by step on how you can actually make your marketing video to go viral. So as people get to see your videos, they get to click on the link, okay, that the video is directing them to, and you make more sales, okay? So now I will be giving you this absolutely free. This bonus actually costs $32, but I'll be giving it to you free if you get Virafic through my link below this video. Then the bonus number 5 I'll be giving you is called Website Punch Pro. Now this particular bonus will help you to show offers on your WordPress website, okay? The good thing about this particular bonus is this: you can choose where you want to place the banner on your website, right? You can place the banner on a particular place you've chosen on your website, and whoever comes to your website, now they'll be able to see that offer, or they'll be able to see whatever you are promoting on your website. That is the beauty of you getting this particular offer, this particular bonus, Website Punch Pro. You can do a whole lot of things. Showing offer on your site with the help of banner is a strategy used by top brand and marketers today. If you are also looking to avail this benefit, then you can breathe easy, right? Like I rightly told you, when you go to all those big established websites, you see them using stuff like this, placing banners. You wonder, how do they do these things? This is the software they actually use. And the fifth bonus I'll be giving to you is called Promo Video Secret, right? This is a promotional promo video where you'll be able to like create promotional video. This software will help you to create promotional videos whereby you can send these videos out, okay, and this video will catch the attention of your prospects, thereby driving traffic to your offer or to your affiliate link, okay? Promotional video have become top marketing tool in the 21st century. They foster increased attention of audience and convert visitors into high-paying customers. You and I know that, okay? So here's an exciting package that helps to easily create high-quality short promotional video and boost your product conversion in a hustle-free manner, right? Like I rightly told you, it will actually, this is a step-by-step process video that shows you how you can actually create these promotional videos, okay, that will become like a driving force to your affiliate link or your products or whatever you offer online, okay? I'm giving you this also for free if you get Virafic through my link which is below this video. Now I'm also giving you all the bonuses that the vendor asked me to give to you, okay? There are a whole lot of bonuses that I asked me to give, and I'll be giving them to you. Now all you need to do is just to come down here, click this link. When you click this link, okay, it will take you to the sales page of Virafic, okay. From there, so what I will actually do now is that I want us to go to the software itself, so that I will show you exactly how the software actually works, okay. Let's get to the software now.
So I'm right here in the dashboard. You are going to find some statistics on your account. This shows how many visitors you have across all your campaigns. Also shows you the number of campaigns you have created on your account. And also here you can see the total number of done for you campaigns on your account. Now, the first thing you want to do when you get access to Virafic is to go to your profile. In the profile section, you'll be able to add your ClickBank affiliate ID. Once you do that and you click on Save Profile, all the done for you campaigns that actually come with your Virafic account become active with your own affiliate links. Now, to create your own campaigns, all you need to do is go to Dashboard, and then you can basically select the type of campaign you want to create. Let's say you want to create an image ad. Just click on Create Image Ad, and then you can basically give your campaign a name. Let's say the affiliate campaign, and how to make money online. So now you can basically go and search for YouTube videos that you can use for your campaigns. So you need to enter your keyword, that's your search keyword, and click on search now. And Virafic actually goes to YouTube to go and search for videos based on your keyword. And then you can actually go ahead and use any of these videos. Let's just say this one. So right now we've selected this particular video. Now you'll also be able to select a cover image for your video. So let's just say success. You can basically type any keyword here. All you need to do is click on search now, and it also goes to go and find stock images that you can use for your video cover. So let's just select this one. Now we've selected our video and also our thumbnail image. Now let's select the campaign image, which is actually going to show up in our video campaign. So we can basically go ahead and upload any image right from our PC. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. Now I just uploaded an image. Now we have the opportunity to set when this image is going to show up on our campaign. So let's just say this shows up after 3 seconds and then disappears after, let's just say disappears after 15 seconds. And also we can select the position of our image on the video campaign. So let's just say this shows up on the top right hand corner of the video. You can also select if you want your video to autoplay or not. Let's just select autoplay, and then this is the affiliate link that your image is going to be pointing to. If anybody actually clicks on the image, it's going to take them straight to your link. This might be a link to your website, your blog, your affiliate links, or whatever type of link you want to add here. So let's just add our link right here, and then this is where the magic also happens. Virafic allows you to generate content just by clicking a single button. If I click on fetch content right now, Virafic actually goes to the YouTube video that we have selected, and it gets the closed caption for this video. Now, this is the spoken word in this video converted into an article. Now, if the video, because obviously not all videos have this closed caption, if the video does not have closed caption, you are going to find out here that this video doesn't have closed caption, and you can actually go and select any other video that as a closed caption. Also, this is completely editable. You can basically copy and paste here. You can add images. This is a rich text editor that you can also easily customize. Now, once we are fine with our campaign, all I need to do is click on create campaign. And then you can see that our campaign is created. You can copy link, you can edit, you can also preview your campaign. So let's just click on preview campaign to see how our campaign looks like.
80% of success is psychology.
So just as we have set this up, our image shows up at the top right hand corner of our video. And if anybody clicks on this image, it's going to take them to the link that we have set up in our campaign. Now, also you get access to different options to actually promote and start getting instant free traffic to your affiliate campaigns. Now, there are also different types of campaign you can create. If I go back to the dashboard, you can also create button campaign, which gives you access to done for you buttons, which you can actually select and then send, add your link to that, and also use that to actually send people to any affiliate link. So you can actually select any type of button. There are different types of button that you have here that you can basically come and select from. And also the same way you can select your videos, select images, and create your campaign. Not only that, if you go back to the dashboard, Virafic allows you to create video ads. Now, this way you don't even need to sell anything in order to make money using these video tags. So let's just go ahead and create our image. Let's say total success. Let's say how to get paid online and make money online. Let's select our video. So let's just select this one. Now we'll have a video, and also let's say luxury. Let's search for thumbnail, and then let's select a cover image right there. Now this is where you also select if you want your video to autoplay. So let's just say yes, and now all you need to do is go and get your Google ad tag, and then I'm just going to go come to my account here. This is just a demo tag basically, and then I'm just going to come and copy the Google tag and come and paste this right here. If you want content, you can also generate content. I'm just going to leave it empty and click on create campaign. And then just like that, as you can see, our campaign has been created. All I need to do is click on preview to see how our campaign looks like. And then this loads up our campaign, and then our video starts to play based on the autoplay setting that we have added in our campaign. And also the video ad starts showing up on our campaign based on the video tag that we have added. And if anybody actually clicks on the link, this is how you get paid even without you having to sell anything. Yes, they have the option also to skip the ad and actually view the video on our campaign. So that's how easy it is to create campaigns using the Virafic software. If you go back, you also have the opportunity to start sending a ton of free traffic to your campaigns, and we've also provided video training on how to start getting a ton of free traffic to profit with your Virafic campaigns.
You can see that the software is actually effective. Like I rightly told you, you can drive traffic to whatever you are promoting online and make sales through this software. Okay, so that is it. That is my review for Virafic, and I actually want to encourage you to get Virafic through my link below this video, so that all these bonuses that I actually showed you, I can send them to you. Okay, as you purchase Virafic, alongside Virafic, you'll be getting all these bonuses. Okay, remember the bonus number 1 is 10K case study. The bonus number 2 is Bing ad mastery training. The bonus number 3 is online viral marketing. Now the bonus number 4 is website pro punch pro. Then the bonus number 5 is promo video secret. And I'm giving you all these bonuses alongside with the bonus, all the bonuses that the vendor also asked me to give to you. Okay, so I look forward to you picking up Virafic through my link below this video, and it will be a win-win-win for you, seriously. Also remember to subscribe to my channel so that when next I post a video you get to see them also. Okay, all right, thank you, and bye bye.